Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to replace the grill for the front of your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. So to do this repair, we simply need to pull the refrigerator slightly forward and then we can get started. So now our next step will be to remove the 2 screws, one on either side, that help secure that grill to the frame of the refrigerator. They're typically a 1/4 inch hex head screw. And there are also plastic tabs on either side that help secure that as well. So we simply need to flex that grill enough to pop those out. You can then remove and discard the old grill. Now when installing the new one, just take note of the 2 plastic tabs. And they're going to squeeze together and fit into those oval-shaped openings. So we'll place that in position, line it up so that the openings for the screw holes are in place, and then simply push it back against the frame of the refrigerator. Snap it into place, and then we'll reinstall the 2 mounting screws. Now all it remains to do is push the refrigerator back into place, and your repair is complete.